State asigi amata ngairaba dhana manjuri University ki research scholar chanipan hena leire adubu ngasi fauba non-GRF singi stipend natraga financial assistance ama fauba pidri amasung research tawbada awaba kaya mayoknari. Inglisingani kunithoy dagi hauraka University asigi scholar singi awaba government amasung concerned authorities singna tasanusinadana lakli. Maramaduna palibalenga kamasung concerned authority ki mayokta akanba khongjang kaya lakliba July gi tang 18 dagi Dhana Manjuri University Students Union ga scholar singa khutsamnaraga changsilagani haina Irom Dimocha President Dhana Manjuri University Students Union na fongdorakli.
Mayamna hena khangnare Dhana Manjuri University Manipur State oina matangai State University ni mamang dagi hongna satra kaya amana university sibu fagadnaba makan kaya kaya khongjang am sangsin kre madun maram orakan university si tapna chakotpagi lambida mang thare hai haijaba tare ada university si ki pai ki maru pori ba research scholar jing hai batare batch ahum suna leire 2022 the first batch 2024 the second batch samadi 2026 the third batch ahum thona leire total number of scholar da research scholar island in the post of salaba fibam asi yaw khobada hujik hoba nan fellowship ki nan JRF singi fellowship uta state government amadi university ki maike digi phangba leitre machine maram orakanda lanna 2023 lana maram orakanda kayama awaba nangre aduna maram orakanda research scholar tawriba satra khudima nuaya thoba imu amat oidabana maram orakanda mahaki research tawna ko banabada duki matik awaba may unare maram aduna si Dhana Manjuri University student na paliba manipur government amadi Dhana Manjuri University ko thodi haijaning madi athu matamda ithokana laiba 2022 dagi horakanda 24 26 batch only ithokana laiba lan fellowship ki stipend je athu matamda ithokbiu haina DMU sugi magai dagi Dhana Manjuri University ki mutchilaga haijari athu matamda satra jinga kucham narakanda achaw khongjang kya samsilaknaba student union na sem sabuloi jare